Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, the markets are awaiting the Fed chairman. So Jerome Powell is going to deliver fresh economic view as tariffs inject uncertainty. So we're still dealing with this uncertainty now. So we need the Fed to come out and basically clear everything up. So if Donald Trump is going to continue to press other countries and continue to threaten, evoke, impose different tariffs amongst different states and countries, etc., then Jerome Powell needs to basically, straighten things up now. So this is a quick summary of what's to be expected later on today. So the Fed could face a choice between fighting inflation and fighting rising unemployment, which isn't great for the economy. Investors are keen for any new hints on which way Powell may lean. So this will give us a good indication as to where the markets may move in the sort of medium to long term orbit, because we still need to lower interest rates. Now, this is an ever-changing tariff policy, self-explanatory. Inflation expectations in particular are in focus. Again, this is pivotal for the decision of the Fed, whether or not they change their policy in terms of the interest rates. Lower the interest rates, the more likely it is for crypto to boom. So we're hoping the next Fed meeting on the 7th of May, we can get rates cut. However, the probability still suggests that they will be remaining the same. However, nevertheless, we do have to remain positive. This is the only way you're going to get through it, guys. So this is a Swiftcoin. Now, the reason why I'm on Swiftcoin right now is because it is strongly correlated. People that subscribe to the channel will understand, and they would have seen for themselves that Swift is strongly correlated with Onyx XCN. Now, if we come over back to yesterday's tweet, so this was the particular graph we was looking at for XCN in yesterday's YouTube video. So we had the bull pennant playing out. Now, that to me, you can't argue with that, For me, it's a straight up bull pennant, But as you know, statistically, any formation, any chart pattern can break down, which is why indicators, there is not a holy grail in the market, guys, So these TAs that are covering any sort of chart patterns, like myself included, there's no 100% crystal ball of what's going to happen. We can only share the probabilities. So this had a 65% chance of breaking to the upside. So you're going to take that trade all day because you've got an edge in the market. 65% chance of breaking up, 35% chance of breaking down. However, if it does break down, you've not lost any crypto, have you? You actually live to fight another day. Now, XCN brought that down, and look at this. This is an absolute obscure sort of 4-hour candle here. We flew all the way up there. We took out this sort of 4-hour close up here, which was set on the 11th of April. We took that liquidity, and not only that, we actually took out these 4-hour closes down here. So the bottom of that sort of bull pennant, or what was the bull pennant, you can see this green wick. Took out all those 4-hour closes. Now, what we've done in my view is it looks as if we are creating a bull flag. Bull flags statistically have a higher probability than a bull pennant. So there's more chance of this now going to the upside than this particular chart. I think it's about 70 to 75%. So it's an increase of about a 10% likelihood that we will run to the upside. So again, guys, we're literally just waiting for the Fed chair to come out and, give us a little bit of glimmer of hope. And you know what? The markets can set off again. So just before I dive into it, let's just double check as well. We've got the Discord over here as well. So if anybody wants to join the Discord, the link below is in the description. Just click through to the logo, add to cart, and then you can go through there. Just make sure you're obviously just taking one on the checkout there. You can join me and the guys over in the Discord. So we do have the crypto charts Discord. So what we're going to do is just quickly have a look at XCN as well. So I'll also type in XCN and see what pops up here, guys. So on the hour, this is done on the hour. So this is all crypto AI driven metrics. So you can see here all the crypto metrics, all the indicators on the hourly time frame aren't looking too good because it's all highlighted in red and sort of caution signs. So let's just click on that and that will populate a chart. So let's just populate that. So there you go. It's come up with a chart now. So it's really good as well. Obviously, we got it on, it's essentially in your pocket because a lot of the time I'll be out for dinner or I'll be out with my friends or whatever. And the last thing I want to be doing is checking on the charts on, for example, like KuCoin. I can see quite clearly here with the RSI where we're currently trading. So for me, the RSI is oversold at the moment. So in my view, according to this technical metric, it looks as if KuCoin wants to run up, or XN on the KuCoin exchange wants to run up from this point. Okay, so yeah, just a cool sort of metric. Someone's asking me a question here. I'll get back to them, guys, once I've finished filming this video. So yeah, XN currently trading bull flag, which is really good. So bull flags, similar to bull pennants, again, you're just taking the flagpole. So it's very similar in nature in terms of the target. So we were targeting around sort of 6 cent. This is bringing us up just shy of 5 cent. Now, there are different methods and variations on how to plant the flagpole. You can plant the flagpole from the bottom. Okay, some people like to plant it more aggressively on top of the flagpole there. So that would be bringing us out again around sort of 5.5 cents. So again, targets are adjusting from day to day based upon what sort of price action plays out, as you can imagine. So anyhow, XN looking really, really bullish in my view. Let's just take a look at Swiftcoin as well. Swiftcoin, I'm in Swift now, so this is great news. It looks as if Swift is breaking out, so this is good news for XN. Again, strongly correlated, so this is brilliant. Lifetime as well, so this is a little bit different. So this, arguably, you could say this is a bull flag similar to like XN, where you had this, yeah. So you know what, it may not be breaking out, but if we're using this sort of wick up here, and we're using these closes, you could argue this is a sort of falling wedge, and we are seeing a little bit of a breakout now on the 4 hour. Like I say, either way, whichever way you slice and dice it, whether it be a falling wedge or whether it be a sort of bull flag, either way, it's bullish structure. And you've got to take the trades, because the trades signal that there'll be a 70% chance of you actually making profit from this point in the market, guys. So again, guys, nothing's ever 100% bulletproof. No metrics, no fundamental analysis. There's no technical indicator that can, predict any sort of charts. All we can do is use a combination of different charts. So I like to use time analysis, which is what I do a lot over in my XRP and XDC plans as well. XDC plan is very, very accurate. XRP is slightly off, but we still have the same targets as well. So doing really good, and you do get an exclusive video with each one of those particular plans. Okay, so big shout out as well to all the people in the crypto Discord as well. We're doing really well. So we're only 5 members away now from giving away that $100 to one lucky winner. So you've got a 1 in 20 chance of winning $100. So yeah, the probabilities are in your favor, guys. So until next time, I shall see you in the next video. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do what you got to do as always. I've been the Block Bull. Until next time, the Block Bull is over and out.